Hello, I'm Teacher Casey. How are you today? Wow, great, me too. Can you guess what we're learning about today? What can you see in the picture? It's a picture of a classroom. Yes, that's right. What can you see in the classroom? Can you remember who this is? Yes, very good. It's the teacher. And what about her? Is she a teacher? No, she is a student. Yes, very good. If I look at this student, do you think this student looks happy? No. What do you think that student is feeling? Maybe he looks worried. What about this student? What do you think this student is feeling? Ah, that's an easy one. She is happy. Very good. Let's learn some new words together.
Teach.
Teach. I teach English. Teach.
Conversation.
Conversation. I talk to my friend in English. We have a conversation. Hello, what are you doing? I am painting. This is a conversation. Very good.
Dictionary.
Dictionary. When I do not know what a word means, I use a dictionary.
Partner.
Partner. I am working with my friend. They are my partner.
Group.
Look, there's not 2 students, there's 3 students. They are working in a group. 3 students, 4 students, 5 students, 6 students working in a group.
Remember.
Remember. When I take my English test, I must remember what I have learned. Teach. Conversation. Dictionary. Partner. Group. Remember. Very good. Let's see if you can remember what some of these words mean now. I am thinking of one of these words. When I talk to my friend, we are having a... Very good. A conversation. Excellent. I am having a conversation with my friend. I am thinking of another word. I use this when I don't know what a word means. What is it? It's a dictionary. Very good, well done. What can you see this time? Do we remember who this is? Yes, very good. She is the teacher. And what do you think the teacher teaches? Is she a math teacher? No, she is an English teacher. What words is she teaching? Well, I can see bananas, bear, boat. These are all words that begin with the letter B. Yes, very good. I would like you to listen and then repeat after me.
I teach English.
Can you repeat that with me? I teach English. Very good.
I teach English.
I teach English. Excellent.
She teaches us conversation and what words mean.
Can you repeat that after me? She teaches us conversation and what words mean.
She teaches us conversation and what words mean.
Ready? She teaches us conversation and what words mean. Excellent. Let's play a game. I can see lots of subjects. I can see I, you, we, they, he, she, Kim. Let's look at the first question. This verb, likes. Do we put likes against I, you, we, they? I likes, you likes, we likes, they likes? No. What about he, she, Kim? He likes, she likes, Kim likes? Yes. Very good. He likes. What about I? I likes, no. I like. Very good. Let's try this sentence together. He likes to eat fruit. Excellent. Have. Where does have go? Do you know? He have, she have, Kim have? No, that's not right. I have, you have, they have, we have? Yes, very good. Let's try this sentence together. You have 10 fingers. How could we change have for he? Could we just add an S? He haves? No, that doesn't sound right. He has 10 fingers. She has 10 fingers. Excellent. Teach. I teach or he teach? What do you think? I know this one. I teach. Let's try this one together. I teach the students to use a dictionary. How could we change it for he, she, or Kim? She teach the students? No, what do we do? Teaches. Very good. She teaches the students to use a dictionary. Excellent. Wants. They wants. Kim wants. What do you think? They wants? No. Kim wants? Yes. Let's try this sentence together. Kim wants a new ruler. Very good. Look, we need to add an S. What about we? We wants. How do we change that? We want a new ruler. Let's try one more together. Has. You has, she has. What do you think? You has, she has. She has. Let's try this one together. She has 2 brothers and a sister. Very good. She has, you. How do we change has for you? You have. Very good. You have 2 brothers and a sister. Great job. Well done. Let's try a new game. Let's read the sentence together. He, with his friends in the river. We've got 2 verbs here. He swim with his friends. He swims with his friends. What do you think? Which one's right? Could it be swims maybe?
He swims with his friends in the river.
Excellent. He swims with his friends in the river. Good job. We our teacher questions in English. We ask, we asks. Which one is correct? Shall we see if you're right?
We ask our teacher questions in English.
We ask our teacher questions in English. Very good. Let's try one more together. Bill, to school by bicycle. Bill, go to school. Bill goes to school. What do you think? Which one sounds right? Bill go to school. Bill goes to school. Should we see if you're right?
Bill goes to school by bicycle.
Bill goes to school by bicycle. Great job, well done. Right, that's the end of the lesson. Well done, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.